People in Australia by Reese.
And Megan.
Here is some information about an important English-speaking country, Australia.
The population of Australia is 23.4 million people. Australia is a very big country. There is just one person for every 2.9 square kilometres.
19 million people are in the east of Australia and only 4.4 million in the west. 85% of all Australians are on the coast, or up to 50 kilometres from the coast.
27% of people in Australia were born outside Australia. That's about 6 million people.
448,610 people in Australia are from Italy, Germany and Greece.
1 in 6 people in Australia's population is over 65.
And the average age of the Australian population is 37.3.